Budget cuts again? Have you seen the finance reports?
Yay, for sure. Carter's team is gonna feel it.
Now arriving 417.
Got any weekend plans?
Yeah, probably hitting the lake. Morning, Carter. Ready for another chaotic week?
If my inbox doesn't kill me first.
Here we go. Hope nothing critical came in over the weekend.
Hello, this is James.
James, good. Gotta call you. We need that vendor payment out immediately.
I just saw the email. This wasn't discussed in Friday's meeting.
It came up over the weekend. Legal approved it this morning. Time is critical, buddy. We could lose the deal.
$248,000? That's a lot. I haven't seen the attached contract.
I'll send the updated documents to legal. You just focus on the wire. This has top-level urgency. Got it?
All right. I'll process it now.
Good man. Let me know when it's done.